Hello, hello, hello. My name is Michelle Bryant. I am a financial strategist specializing in logistics. Coming to you today with another video. I am a tax preparer specializing in everything logistics. I know, understand, and can apply those deductions, the pay items that you see on your paychecks if you're an owner operator or a company driver. I'm also a bookkeeper. I handle a lot of bookkeeping. I handle and set up businesses. I do everything that you need to get your business going, rolling, and all that other good stuff. Now today, I'm coming to you with 5 additional tax tips. Okay, 5 additional truckers tax tips, okay, for you, so that you can take advantage of the deductions that are there for you. All right, the first thing, depreciation. All right, you want to depreciate your truck, okay, to 2019, that you want to take advantage of the bonus appreciation. Okay, bonus depreciation. The bonus depreciation is 100% for 2019. That means if you purchase something, okay, and put it in use in 2019, put it in service in 2019, you made a purchase and put it in service in 2019, you can take advantage of that 100% bonus depreciation. That's a very, very big tax write-off. But you want to get with your accountant or your tax preparer. I'm not an accountant, but I know my stuff and been in business for over 20 years. Okay, accountant, you don't need an accountant to do everything for you, okay? But anyway, you want to make sure that it's tax advantageous for you to do that, because you won't be able to take advantage of the 3-year depreciation for your truck. Okay, so you won't get that 3-year depreciation deduction. You would get it one time and one time only for your bonus depreciation if you use the whole 100%. All right, now if you buy a trailer, okay, your trailer gets 5 years of depreciation. So you can depreciate your trailer over a 5-year period, okay? You can depreciate your trailer over a 5-year period. And I want to repeat that so that you can understand. Okay, so your tractor truck, 3 years, trailer, 5 years, unless you take advantage of the 100% bonus depreciation. All right, now I've noticed some people are getting standard deduction when it comes to your miles and everything else on your tax return, and you have a tractor truck. That is wrong. Do not go with the standard deduction. You need to go to actual. All right, you want to get your actual deduction. All right, and that's number 3. So 1 is depreciation for your tractor truck. All right, that goes over the bonus depreciation and everything else. 2 is your trailer, depreciation for your trailer. 3, you want to take the actual deduction when it comes to your miles. All right, now with your actual deduction, your actual expenses, you can take advantage of your parking fees that you will have to pay to park your truck, your tolls, the maintenance and repairs for your tractor truck, the fuel, the oil, registration fees, insurance, tires, and I went over the loan interest last week for your vehicle. Okay, so you want to make sure you take the actual deduction. And also, you can deduct your law books if you're still using law books, or your EIDL expenses, not EIDL. I'm thinking about economic impact disaster loan. Oh, your electronic logging device. You can deduct that as well. The expenses that come with your electronic logging device. All right, so if you're still using your logbooks, you can deduct that. But if not, you can deduct your electronic logging device, which you should not be using logbooks. But hey, that's your business, not mine. I know how y'all do. Okay. All right. The next thing you want to make sure you deduct is your subscriptions to trade publications. Okay, your subscriptions to trade publications. You can deduct that, along with if you are using load boards and you know you have to sign up to use the load boards, you can deduct that monthly subscription because you sign up for a subscription to the load boards. All right, so if you're dealing with load boards, if you have your own authority and you have load boards, you can deduct that subscription for your load boards. Okay, and any publication that you may have. Publication for trucks, trailers, truckers are really beneficial. It's a good read and it has a lot of good information. But any subscriptions other than books or whatever, load boards or whatever you subscribing to that you have to pay monthly to operate your business, you can deduct. All right. You want to make sure that you get uniforms. All right. You cannot deduct your regular clothes that you wear to work every day. So you want to make sure you have some uniforms, steel toes that you wear to work every day so you can deduct that from your taxes along with your dry cleaning. All right. So you want to take your uniforms and all the other good stuff and deduct that as well. Also, you can deduct a cell phone, but it has to be a business cell phone. I have my personal cell phone and I have a business cell phone. I deduct my expenses from my business cell phone. Okay, and it's good to have that dedicated business cell phone line because just in case you get audited, the IRS can't say you're using that cell phone for your personal. So how can you use that to operate your business when you also using that one cell phone for all your personal needs? All right, so that line can get really tricky when it comes to cell phones and all the other good stuff. Okay, so that's just a word of advice: get a cell phone, use it 100% for business use. All right, next thing you can deduct is any learning costs. All right, if you hazmat driver or whatever you have to take yearly to stay up on your learning, or whatever you have to do, you can deduct that as well. All right. I don't know what you guys out there doing as far as learning or whatnot, but it's good to take refresher courses. I do all the time. I take my refresher courses for anything. I've been in business for so long to where things change over the years. And if you're not using it right then, all the time, then you're going to forget it. And not only that, there's always new things coming up. You got this new, the laws change again in September, I believe September 29th, that you have to make sure you up on and stuff like that. So I know a lot of master classes out there on trucking and different classes out there on trucking. So you'll be able, to deduct that as well. Fees paid for dispatcher service. If it's not including your subscription, then you want to deduct that as well. Okay, fees that you pay for your dispatching services, you want to deduct that as well. All right, so that's more than 5. But I just wanted to let you know, just want to come to you with a video of things that you can deduct because we're coming up on tax season. July 15th is the deadline. I am a tax preparer, been in business for over 20 years. I specialize in logistics. So I am the one woman, I'm not saying I'm the only woman now, or I'm not the only man or whoever, the only person. But I understand those truckers' taxes because you know why? Because I used to cut their payroll. I put in every deduction, every pay item, every insurance, whatever, every accessorial charge, okay, everything. Okay, for the truck driver. So I know exactly what needs to be deducted. You don't have to spend an hour, 2 or 3 days or whatever trying to explain to me how to get things done or what deduction goes where and all that other stuff. You just drop off your paperwork and let me handle the rest. All right. So I am your girl when it comes to doing your taxes, bookkeeping, whatever you need. Okay, if you're a truck driver in the trucking industry. And I'm not gonna just say truck drivers, I do small businesses, I do personal, I do everybody. I don't discriminate, I do everybody. Cause you know why? Cause I love helping people. I love helping people. I've seen so many people get screwed, okay? And it just ticks me off because some people just don't want to take the time. If you don't know something, educate yourself or let the person know you don't know what you're doing. I don't know everything. And if I don't know, I'm gonna tell you I don't know, but give me a few, I'll find out for you. All right? So reach out to me and get your taxes done. All right, my name is Michelle Bryant. All right, my website is www.bryantstaxlogistics.com, bryantstaxlogistics.com. You can also reach me at info@bryantstaxlogistics.com. Info@Bryant's with the S on the end, tax logistics with the S on the end.com. I also still have my ebook available. It's going to be down in the description box. I have other YouTube videos. You're welcome to view them, look at them. And I also offer one-on-one sessions to help you, to answer any questions you need. Okay? We can set up a free consultation to see what it is that you need, and we can go from there. So don't be out here, all this money out there in the world, and you can be leaving money on the table by not getting your things in order or spending money to the IRS or whomever because you don't have your things in order. Pay the money, get it done. All right? Reach out to me if you need me. All right? Get your taxes done and get everything you need to get done. All right? Thank you for listening. You have a good day. Bye-bye.